Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to pin a message in a WhatsApp group for 24 hours. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping important messages easily accessible for everyone in the group. Let's dive straight into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to navigate your chats. Next, select the group where you want to pin a message. Scroll through the conversation or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific message you'd like to pin. Once you've found the message, long press on it. This action will highlight the message and display additional options at the top of your screen. Now, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen and tap on them. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Pin. At this point, a pop-up menu will appear asking you to choose how long you want the message to stay pinned. Select 24 hours as your preferred duration and then tap Pin to confirm. That's it. The message is now pinned at the top of the group chat for 24 hours. All members of the group will see it prominently displayed, ensuring that no one misses out on important information. Remember, pinned messages are temporary, so after 24 hours, they will automatically unpin unless you choose to extend or repin them. This feature is perfect for sharing event details, reminders, or any critical updates within your group. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit from this feature. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your WhatsApp experience even better.